Hey everybody, just a quick intro. I was editing this video and realized it was going on for 20 minutes. I don't think anybody wants to listen to me talk about creams and moisturizers and oils for 20 minutes. So I decided to split it into two separate 10-minute videos. So today's part one and tomorrow will be part two. Hey everybody, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. It is a early Sunday morning video. I was up this morning early because every Sunday I have to take, and every Sunday I dread, I have to take my osteoporosis drug, Fosamax, and I hate taking that because you have to take it with 8 ounces of water, and I cannot wake up in the morning and drink water. It just makes me so sick to my stomach. So every Sunday when I know I have to take that pill, I almost get anxiety. I'm taking it. I'm not a water drinker to begin with. I should be more of a water drinker, even for my skin, but I just don't like water. Just don't like it. I think I've had osteopenia / going into osteoporosis for a very long time. I remember when I was in my late 20s, I went on a biking trip with my husband. You know, when you ride kind of racing bikes, not that I was racing, but it was one of those week-long trips you do on a bike. It was a tough trip to do because there was a lot of miles to do. Sometimes we do I don't know, 50 miles or something. I don't know. It was just really hard biking and up hills in Vermont. So it was very tough. I couldn't do it again. I remember I had my toes in my special shoes, bike shoes, locked into the bike. And for some weird reason, my husband was in front of me. We were just entering the side of this road. And I don't know, I must have zoned out or something, blacked out in another world, maybe just exhausted from biking so much. And the front of my tire, the last thing you want to do is have your bike bang into somebody in front of you, because you will be the one that goes flying off the bike. And that's what happened. I was just going super slow. I mean, I was barely pedaling and my tire banged into his back tire enough to throw me off balance. And I fell off the bike, but unfortunately my feet were still latched into the pedals, so I couldn't move my legs. So I was stationary, and I just fell over on my right side. I couldn't brace myself or anything. And when I fell over, I hit my hip. And I remember my elbow was all scraped up and I could not walk. I couldn't walk. My leg was dead, my right leg. It was the most bizarre thing. I didn't know what was going on. Some very nice farmer or whatever they were in their pickup truck came by and threw my bike in the back of the truck. And I don't know if I sat in the front of the truck. I didn't even know these people. I would never do that now. We could have gotten murdered or something. I don't know. But they put me in the back of the truck and I was in so much pain. I could not move that leg. He had to get a wheelchair for me at the airport to get me on the plane. It was just so crazy. I got back home and I ended up going to the orthopedic surgeon to see, what was going on. We flew back to Florida and he took an x-ray of my pelvis and he said, "You fractured your pelvis." I said, "What?" And he even kind of looked at me how can you fracture your pelvis? And 27 years old, 28, just by falling off a bike. I think my bone density back then was already crappy. My mom had really severe osteoporosis when she died. So when I developed Hashimoto's when I was 45, I know this is not what the story's about, and I just happened to start going on this because it's Sunday and I was taking my Fosamax, my thyroid shot, because I have Hashimoto's hypothyroidism. When you're taking the Synthroid or the levothyroxine for hypothyroidism, it really kind of messes with your bone density, sadly. I don't know. I just don't think I can actually absorb vitamin D from the sun. I mean, I'm out in the sun every day. I mean, I put sunscreen on and everything, but I don't put it on my arms and legs. I'm getting vitamin D from the sun. I drink and eat a lot of dairy. I've taken a variety of supplements. Nothing seems to get it up. The only thing that gets me back into normal range is the Fosamax. So I go on 3 years of it, and then I take a 3-year vacation, which is always celebration time because I don't have to take it anymore on Sundays with water. Now I'm back into 3 years of being back on it. Anyway, enough with that. I thought it would be fun to go over some things other than Retinol that I use for, hydration, moisturization, prevention of fine lines and wrinkles, helping with dark spots, what I do for all that stuff, trying to slow down. I'm not going to say prevent because I can't prevent the signs of aging. That's even impossible. Even if I got a facelift, you're just not going to look the same. You know what I mean? It's not like being 25 again. Why bother? Now you can see when I smile, all my crinkly wrinkles there, and that's kind of normal. And The wrinkles on my forehead, they're normal. I try not to make too much expression on my face where I'm going to create wrinkles. These are some of the products that I have accumulated and love. Some are more on the high end, some are more on the less expensive end. First, this is the first product I've ever purchased from this company, and I'm going to go over these fast. I have a lot of products here. It would take forever to do that. First things first, matter of fact, I never heard of this company before, just decided to pick this up. This is their 4% peptide and hyaluronic acid blend with niacinamide. This is a long word. Resurgence, I think that's how you pronounce it. And bakuchiol. This is a great moisturizer for hydration. The niacinamide helps support your skin barrier. It has this little pump that comes out. The hexoresorcinol, I think that's supposed to help with dark spots. You have the niacinamide in there also for hydration. It also contains matrixyl 3000, which I think are peptides that are going to help with fine lines and wrinkles. But what I like about this cream is it is so thick and dense. If you don't like thick creams, you're not going to like this. I'm not going to try to put too many of these creams on my skin because I am going to be a slathered up woman this morning. It's almost like velvet going on. I just love the feel of this cream. And I love to put this on mainly at night because it's so rich. Even though it's a super thick and rich cream, it has a watery, velvety feel, sort of. It's just kind of really super hydrating. I feel like I'm putting, a layer of water on my skin. You can see how hydrating that is. It just really feels so good on my skin. It makes my skin feel so hydrated. I'm going to list these all in order down in my description box in case you want to look them up yourself. Matter of fact, 4% peptide and hyaluronic acid blend. Love this cream. Use this at night. And the next nice, thick, rich cream that I love, the Bora Barrier Repair Cream from DrunkElephant. This has zinc that's supposed to help with redness. I think it also contains alpha-glucan. It says it is a buttery, ultra-rich lipid cream, so fatty acid. It helps to restore and support even the driest and most fragile skin, drenching it with a barrier replenishing blend of ceramide, lipids, natural minerals, and patented antioxidant compounds. Like this cream, it has the same kind of pump. I'm not going to pump too much out because I'm going to have so much cream on my face, but it has also that nice, really thick, creamy, rich feeling that the Matter of Fact is. It almost feels just like the Matter of Fact cream. Feels really, really good and super, super hydrating on my skin. For a cream that kind of helps with redness and is less expensive than those, I really like this. This is from Sephora collection. It is the Sephora, and it says HYACA Soothing Moisturizer. It contains hyaluronic acid for hydration and Centella Asiatica. It's going to help with redness on your face. It has that green tint to it. Isn't there a green ceramide cream that's more high end? I can't think of the name of it. I don't know if it's by Dr. Jart or what, but this is such a nice, rich, thick cream, and it's really good at helping reduce redness on your face. And also it is really hydrating. So I'm gonna have a lot of cream on my face. I love the feel of cream on my face. This is nice if you're trying to help reduce redness on your skin. I like this Murad Resurgence Retinol Youth Serum. This is really nice in the morning if I want to just put a pump of retinol on my skin. It's very lightweight. I would almost describe it like a serum-y cream because I've had serums that are much lighter than this. I think this contains 3 retinols. It is supposed to target fine lines and wrinkles. I use this in the morning under makeup because it's so lightweight. If I want a thicker, more hydrating form of retinol, not Retin-A, this is the Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream. Also has the pump. Not as thick. I can't put these all on my face because my face is just going to be like crazy greasy. This one I would say is a little more lightweight than the Matter of Fact or the Bora Barrier cream. It's a really nice cream. I really do like the products from Murad. I think most of the time they perform the way they say they're supposed to. And I think what's so special about this, or what they're really pushing with this, is that it's an encapsulated form of retinol they think is supposed to be more effective. All I know is it's one one of the Murad products that I do like. I also like the Murad Cellular Hydration Repair Serum. This is also great, and I'm not gonna put this on my skin. I can't put any more on right now. This is also a great serum for hydrating your skin. It says it contains concentrated, deeply nourishing, reparative serum with skin barrier strengthening omega and hexapeptide 9 technology for powerful hydration. Very nice hydrating cream in the morning under makeup, and then at night, if I want another form of an hydrating cream that's a little bit thicker, I use the Murad Cellular Hydration Repair Cream. And this is a cream, another pump. It has the same kind of consistency as the Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream. This is a retinol night cream, and this is more of a cellular hydration cream for hydrating your skin. Love these products from Murad. I use those all the time, whether under makeup first thing in the morning or at night alone or in combination with the serum or after I put Retinol on my skin. My skin always has stuff on it. Always has lots of stuff on it. Okay, and finally, for fine lines and wrinkles, 3 things I use all the time. I just used last night is my Banish. And if I can have a clip of the video, I will put that in here. My Banish Stamper. I know so many people have asked me about this. This is my favorite tool on my face. I use it once a week. The little needles are very sharp, still very sharp. They don't hurt, but you can really tell they're doing something, penetrating your skin. But what I love about this microneedling device is it stamps rather than rolling. I hate rolling a microneedler over my skin. I've tried it. I feel like I am tearing my skin to shreds doing it. So I much prefer just stamping. The other thing I love, and I know it's expensive, is my Chue Penny Lily machine. I have to call it machine because my husband, when he saw it on my vanity, he said, that looks like an embalming machine. No, it's my facial device. Don't pick on it. I love it. I love all the tool heads that go on it because every head kind of does something different for your skin. But the one I love the most is the sprayer head. It has this little container that I fill up either with an essence, with a toner, and right now what I have in there is my Paula's Choice. I can't remember what it is. I'll show a picture of what's in my sprayer right now. Aerate it and spray it on my skin. Oh my gosh, besides feeling so good going on, it just to me is just, I don't know, it makes me do it more. This mister feels so good to me that it makes me want to use it. The people from Sleep and Glow, who make my most favorite pillow, who make the pillow that I've been sleeping on for the past, I don't know, 5 years now, I think. Love that Sleep and Glow pillow. It's right over there. I'll show it to you in a minute. This is not a sponsored video. None of the things I've showed you in this video are sponsored. I got no payment for saying anybody's name or whatever. Nothing. Nada. Someone from Sleep and Glow did originally send me this pillow, and I thought I was going to just show it on my channel, never use it. Well, that's not what happened. I got used to sleeping on the pillow, and I absolutely love it. But they did contact me and they asked, could you just tell your viewers that they are running a 15% discount on the Sleep and Glow pillows in celebration of Women's Day. Now, I know this video is going up, I think March 14th or 11th, and I think Women's Day this year was on March the 8th. In celebration of Women's Day, they are giving a 15% discount off these pillows. I cannot say enough about this pillow. It is one of my beauty devices that I use. I call it a beauty device because it prevents me from causing, you know, when you sleep, your skin goes next to the pillow and it just squishes it up. Well, you can get kind of what's called, I think, compression wrinkles that way. And it can also affect your eyelashes because if you're squishing and rubbing your face against the pillow when you sleep, or if you sleep face down, which I've never slept, on your belly on the pillow, you're rubbing all these eyelashes, and I already have eyelashes that are balding, so I don't need any more problems with my eyelashes. This pillow was designed by orthopedists to help to cradle your neck and your face so your spine is in alignment. Actually, I have fibro, so I have a lot of neck pain issues, and this pillow has been fabulous for that. Now, it took me probably 2 weeks to get used to it. When I first got it, I was like, heck no, know, I am not going to get used to this pillow, but it took me 2 weeks. And then after that, I go nowhere without my pillow. I take it with me when we travel in the hotel room. Love that pillow. Cannot say enough about that pillow. It helps with fine lines and wrinkles on your face. It helps protect your eyelashes. It helps with puffiness. And it was designed kind of that your face is just floating in air and not being compressed by the pillow. It just really frees up your face so that it's just kind of floating there, not being pushed into the pillow to cause sleep wrinkles. Now, I think my pillow is called the Omnia pillow. I'll put it right down here. The foam that it's made out of is memory foam. The pillowcase that I use on the Omnia pillow is very soft. It almost feels like silk. Super soft and silky, hypoallergenic. Just really helps to keep your face looking smooth and free of sleep wrinkles and protect your lashes. So happy to remind everybody about it. Let them know of the 15% off Women's Day celebration discount. I'll put all that information down in my description box. They gave me a discount code. You don't have to use mine. You may be able to just go online and get the code if you don't want to use my affiliated link, but I am affiliated with them. Just want to remind you about another device to help slow down the signs of aging and help to prevent wrinkles on your face, compression wrinkles on your face from sleeping on a regular pillow. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing all my collection of moisturizers and oils. Yes, I am a collector of skincare. I don't think that's a good thing to be, but I am. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.